I want my daughter to have equal opportunities in life. If technology is the future, then she needs to be equipped with the skills to help shape it. I want her to be a creator of the future.
This is imagiCharm. It's a product we developed together with and for teenage girls to fit into their everyday lives and interests. It's a fun accessory that you can customize through programming straight from your phone.
Our app teaches programming in a visual, creative, and expressive way. Our tutorials are intuitive and start with the basics. But there is no limit. You can learn complex computer science concepts and move on to create anything you can imagine with code.
My imagiCharm is an extension of my outfit. I made the stripe pattern using for loops and if statements to match my shirt.
I use my imagiCharms to stand up for what I believe in.
I programmed my own game. I also programmed the sun to come up when my alarm goes off in the morning.
I make my creations blink together with the beats of my favorite songs. Then I throw a party for my friends.
Beyond learning how to program, through the app you can share your art and code with your friends even when you're not together. Or make new friends, try their code, change it, and upload it to your own imagiCharm.
We adopted a user-centered design approach from the very beginning and had girls be part of every single step of the process. We worked with over 200 girls. We also talked to parents. We had iteration after iteration, both for the imagiCharm and the app.
We are making imagiCharm to inspire and educate teenage girls in technology and programming.
We're ready to bring imagiCharm into the hands of teenage girls around the world, and we need your help.
Please back and share our project, and together, let's build a future coded by all.